Hello everybody, this is Daryl at Hudson'sCustomMachining.com, and we're back here now with the GE AOU loop handle fan oscillator linkage. And here's the old screw. Let's see if we can get a little bit closer. Here's the old worn shoulder screw here that was in there, and we've re-rounded this hole on the milling machine with the boring head, and we've got the hole good and round again. And I have made another screw here that has a little bit of an old oversized shoulder on it, so that now the screw fits into the hole there, and it's good and round, and there's no slop between the shoulder on the screw and the hole in the end of the linkage. So we're about ready to put this back together. Just wanted to show you that real quick, and we're going to move on to something else. All right, y'all take care.